Now, if you're working on a Mac, let's see how we can get you set up. First, you have to go to cran.rstudio.com, or you could just Google Cran RStudio and it will give you the cran.rstudio.com page. And you can see here that you have 3 options for downloading and installing R. Since we're on Mac, we're going to click on that second one, Download R from Mac OS. Now the page looks quite scary, but all you have to do is find this latest release section. And for the majority of you, you can just click on that first link there. If you want, you can read the description of what it pertains to, but for the majority of you, you can click on the first link. If you have bought a new MacBook since 2021, chances are you might be on what's called an M1 Mac, and in that case, you would actually want to pick this second link there. But I think for the majority of people, you can click on that first link. Now in my case, I am using an M1 Mac, so I'm going to click on that second link for M1 Macs only. And that will trigger a download to my computer. Now you can see in my downloads folder, I have that file, so I can just double click that to open it. And I can just follow the steps for the installation. It might ask you for your password, so you can put that in. And voila, in a few seconds, it tells us the installation was successful, so we can close, and now we have R on our computers. But like I said, usually you're not going to work directly with R. We're going to work with the RStudio IDE. So let's see how we can get that. Now to get the RStudio IDE, your best bet is just to search RStudio download on your favorite search engine. And usually if you click on the first link, it'll take you to where you need to be. So if we scroll down on this page, we can see here the download link for RStudio Desktop. That's what we're going to click on. Now the browser has already figured out what operating system you're using, so it gives us the right download link there. Download RStudio for Mac, we're going to click on that. So now in my downloads folder, I have this DMG file that I can double click to install RStudio. And now all we need to do is drag the RStudio icon into our applications folder. And once that's done, we can simply press Command and Spacebar and find RStudio there. And we can open up the RStudio IDE. Now it says RStudio is an app downloaded from the internet. Do I want to open it? I click Sure, or Open rather. And after a few seconds, it shows us the RStudio interface. This is going to be your home for a long time to come. We can press Command and plus in order to zoom in a little bit. And here in our console, we can already type some R code. I'm going to type something very simple, 2 + 2, and I'm going to press Enter. And we've just run our first line of our code.